Okefure, Chukwuma Kaduna Nzogu, and Ife Ajuna are unarguably the most handsome soldiers in history. And I have a crush on them. Do you know that Chukwuma Nzogu does not drink? He does not humanize. He does not smoke. And he's a devoted Catholic. He's my spec, a whole spec. Chai! Look at him now. Handsome Bobo. Look at his smile. Chai! Chai! Video me. So, Chukwuma Nzogu and Ife Ajuna fought during the Biafran War. They fought for the Biafra cause. They stood with their people in the Igbo because they wanted a better future and a brighter future for Ndi Igbo. So they fought for the Biafran cause. May their souls rest in peace. Chukwuma Nzogu died at the age of 30 in Nsukka. He died while leading a night operation against the Nigerian troops. He died a warrior. He died a hero for Ndi Igbo, for a cause he believed was for the betterment of Ndi Igbo and the eastern region. Chukwuma Kaduna Nzogu is from Opanam, an Igbo community in Delta State. I wonder how Chukwuma will feel if he sees that some of his people in Delta State are denying their origin. I wonder, he will feel so disappointed. Chukwuma Nzogu's body was buried in a cemetery in Kaduna where he was born and raised. If Chukwuma Nzogu and Ife Ajuna was alive, I would have been their wife. Honestly, I'm crushing on both of them. They're so cute, like very cute. They're warriors, they're cute, they're handsome.